known ornaments in the Mesolithic context in India have been obtained. From UPRO, Arrow, Mains, 2013. 8 Sarai Neher Rai. B. Mahadaha. C. Lekhaheya. D. Chopani Mando. The correct answer is B. Mahadaha, and also A. Sarai Neher Rai based on broader archaeological finds, though Mahadaha is exceptionally notable for yielding a vast quantity of bone artifacts and ornaments. 3 human skeletons in a single grave at UPPCS pre-2016. 8 Sarai Neher Rai. B. Timdama. C. Mahadaha. D. Langnaj. The correct answer is B. Timdama. At the Mesolithic site of Dimdama in the Pratapgarh district of Uttar Pradesh, excavation revealed multiple human burials, including one grave containing 3 human skeletons, a triple burial. The cultivation of cereals first started in UPPCS Mains 2005. 8 Neolithic Age. B. Mesolithic Age. C. Paleolithic Age. D. Proto-Historic Age. The correct answer is 8 Neolithic Age. Explanation: 8 Neolithic Age. This period is famously referred to as the Neolithic Revolution because it marked the transition of human societies from nomadic hunter-gatherers to settled agricultural communities. Humans first began systematically cultivating cereal crops like wheat and barley, and constructing permanent settlements during this era. Well-known Neolithic sites in the Indian subcontinent, such as Mehrgarh and Lahuradeva, provide the earliest archaeological evidence of farming cereals. The earliest evidence of man in India is found in Uttarakhand PCS pre-2006. 8 Nilgiri Hills. B. Shivalik Hills. C. Nallamala Hills. D. Narmada Valley. The correct answer is D. Narmada Valley. Details of the discovery. Location: the first hominin fossil in India was found at Hathnura village in the Narmada Valley of Madhya Pradesh. Date: it was discovered on December 5, 1982. Discoverer: geologist Arun Sonakia from the Geological Survey of India found the fossil. Classification: the fossil known as the Narmada human or Narmada man belongs to the Homo erectus category, which lived before modern humans, Homo sapiens. The first cereal used by man was UPPCS pre-1997. A. Wheat. C. Barley. B. Rice. D. Sorghum. The correct answer option is C. Barley. Why this answer is correct? Historical timeline. Barley was the first grain to be cultivated by humans. 1. Domestication era. It was domesticated around 8000 BC in the Fertile Crescent region of Western Asia, the area between the northeastern Mediterranean Sea and modern-day Iran. Exam relevance. According to the official answer key for this specific state civil services question from the UPPCS pre-1997 examination, barley is recognized as the definitive answer. The earliest evidence of agriculture. From Up Lower Sub. Pre-2008. A. Koldia. B. Lahuradeva. C. Mehrgarh. D. Tokwa. The correct answer is C. Mehrgarh based on standard classical Indian history questions from that exam era, though recent archaeological updates note Lahuradeva as older. Mehrgarh in Balochistan, Pakistan dates back to roughly 7000 BCE with early wheat and barley farming. Name the site which has revealed the earliest evidence of settled life. UPPCS SPL Mains 2008. A. Oliveira. B. Kile Gul Muhammad. C. Kalaibangan. D. Mehrgarh. The correct answer is D. Mehrgarh. Mehrgarh is an ancient Neolithic site in Balochistan, Pakistan, that dates back to around 7000 BCE and represents the earliest known farming and settled village life in the Indian subcontinent. Site details. Location: Bolan River Basin, Balochistan, Pakistan. Time period: begins around 7000 BCE Neolithic age. Key findings: mud brick houses, early agriculture wheat and barley, and animal domestication cattle, sheep, and goats. The earliest evidence of agriculture in the Indian subcontinent has been obtained from A. Brahmagiri, B. Kurzahum, C. Koldya, D. Mehrgarh. Direct or immediate answer. The correct option is D. Mehrgarh. Located in Balochistan, Pakistan, Mehrgarh provides the oldest known Neolithic evidence of wheat and barley farming and animal herding in the Indian subcontinent, dating back to around 7000 BCE.
The earliest evidence of agriculture in Indian subcontinent is found at UPPCS Mains 2007. A. Lothal, C. Mehrgarh, B. Harappa, D. Mundagik. C. Mehrgarh. 1. Direct answer details. Correct option, C. Mehrgarh. Location: Balochistan, Pakistan. Period: around 7000 BCE Neolithic age. The earliest evidence of agriculture in Indian subcontinent is found at UPPCS Mains 2007. A. Lothal, C. Mehrgarh, B. Harappa, D. Mundagik.
The correct answer is C. Copper Age. Explanation: The Chalcolithic Age is a transitional period in human prehistory that sits between the Neolithic New Stone Age and the Bronze Age. The name itself is derived from the Greek words chalkos, meaning copper, and lithos, meaning stone. During this era, human civilizations began utilizing copper tools alongside traditional stone implements.